Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for March 14th to 26th. The pattern features a cold trough over eastern Canada and an active southern stream that gets it entrained to the base of the trough during March 14th to the 17th. Moisture should be associated with the subtropical jet and southern stream impulses. These disturbances are expected to track from the Gulf Coast to the north central Atlantic. A ridge in the west is expected to give way to the Pacific front late in the period. Temperatures are forecast to be below normal behind the front this weekend. Early next week, there is a threat of a possible coastal system that tracks out of the southeast. The system will bring widespread, locally heavy rainfall spreading north and east. There could be a transition to snow on the northern side of the system. Much of the west is expected to be warm and dry, except for the south central areas that could see some light precipitation, and the northwest may experience light to moderate precipitation. Okay, we're now looking at the period for March 17th to 21st. Models continue to depict an amplified pattern with the ridge over western North America. Here's our ridge here, and we have a trough over eastern North America. And I want to show you here that the ensembles, this is the GFS ensembles, and this is the European ensembles, and you can see that it's less amplified, almost like a zone of flow. We have a weak ridging here in our trough, and we're going to go forward. This is the 19th, and then we're going to go to the ensembles. See, it's saying showing a flattening of the flow, and then we go all the way to the 21st. And you can see here that the European is basically a zone of flow with the below normal heights to the north and near to above normal heights to the south. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperature for this region, and for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation from the plains to the Pacific coast. Now we're going to head further into the period for March 22nd to 26th, and the models continue to indicate de-amplification of the pattern and transition to a zone of flow for March 22nd to 26th. So we're going to go back to the models. And here we're on the 26th. This is the GFS. You can see the zone of flow setting up across, and then we have here the GFS ensembles, and here's the European ensembles, basically a zone of flow. And then we go to the 24th, and you can see we have above normal heights across the Gulf Coast states and the southeast, and pretty much below normal heights elsewhere. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region, and above normal temperatures for this area for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation for this region here. So that's a pretty short description of the long-range weather forecast discussion for March 14th to 26th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.